viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are doing great. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now we will enjoy another very important topic. This is traveling, and traveling is very important for us. If we become bored about our life, and traveling is must to enjoy our life. So on this topic, we will enjoy a very important performance from our very dear student Mehdi Bhai. So let's enjoy.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are passing excellent time by the kind of omnipresent Allah. I'm also fine by His grace. Actually, I am not a good speaker and I am not in the habit of speaking in public place. However, I will try my best to say something according to my special topic. Today my topic is traveling. So let's get started. Travel is an exciting way to explore new places and cultures. When we travel, we can see beautiful landscapes, taste different foods, and meet new people. Each journey teaches us something and helps us appreciate the diversity of our world. Some attractive tourist places are Cox's Bazar, Silet Jaflong, Rangamati, Shajek, etc. That's all about my today's presentation. Next, if I get chance, I will come up with another interesting presentation. If I do any mistake, please pardon me. Thanks all for hearing me patiently. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protects us. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.